What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Nicholas, and welcome back to Nick's Dynasty. Back at it again with another investment video. About 5 months ago, I did an update on my Acorns account, and when we did that update, we saw that after 4 years, it was only up 0.76%. Not great at all, even though we are in 2020 where things are crazy. Very not impressed with that at all. And even after 1 year, it was only up 6.84%. Not bad, but I've been putting my eggs in a different basket as far as the extra money I use to invest. I have had M1 Finance since for like 2 years and 5 months. This is my first portfolio. After 2 years and 5 months, we still only have $602 in here. But I just want to talk about this platform and why I'm not using Acorns anymore and just putting my extra monies in here. So, like I said, I've had this for 2 years and 5 months, and this account has returned me 69.55% after 2 years and 5 months. If we look at the other indexes, the S&P 500 is up 14.54% for the year, and for 5 years is up 65.96%. So I have beat that 5 year record, and in the Dow Jones for a year is up 5.38. 5 year 60.20. Have beaten that mark as well. And if you look at the NASDAQ, the year is up 41.09%, really good. And for 5 years, it's actually up 128%. Haven't beaten that, but we're close, halfway. Not really, but we'll look at this portfolio real quick. It's not necessarily telling you what to invest in or what to do. I'm just showing you what I've been doing. I really like this platform because you can buy partial shares. You can see I'm invested in Berkshire Hathaway and also Amazon. Looking at Amazon, I have 0.0245% of a share. An average share price is about $1,800, but I've been able to invest a little bit into it because of me being able to invest in partial shares because of M1 Finance, which I love a lot. Other platforms you can do that as well, but M1 Finance was kind of the pioneer with doing it. And with the total market gain, I've gained over $153 and even gotten $5.71 in dividends with this portfolio. The portfolio I've had the most. For the count I have, the basic count, there's only like one trading window. That's around 9:30 a.m. So it'll make a trade a little bit after this at whatever time it sees fit for you. You can't trade anytime during the market hours, but that is okay with me because I'm basically just dollar cost averaging with this platform, and I'm just putting extra monies outside of my 401k into this account. We'll look at the other accounts that I have. This next one I've had for about 2 years and 26 days. It's mostly funds and it's up 37.42%. This one has more dividends at $9.61. And in this portfolio, like I said, is a bunch of funds that I created a while back. VTI, VOO, QQQ. The energy sector, as you can see, is down 62%. We do have an M1 Finance chart pie that does have dividend funds in there as well, but definitely just getting exposed to all my sectors in this one and some sectors with this one, and we have still gained a pretty good return. Going back to my first pie, you look and I still have BP and it's down so much, but it's only $12 worth, 2.1% of my portfolio. We'll figure out what we're going to do with this a little later, but they do have a dividend as well, which I've gained $1.97 from it, but it has dropped it's dropped in value significantly. Um, Moving on, wanted to get a little bit more pointed with my investing and invest into companies that I am actually a consumer in, things that I care about or whatnot. It is up 25% I've had it for a little bit less than a year. More dividends right here, but I shop at Walmart, shop at Kroger, I'm an eBay, I sell on eBay, I buy on eBay, stay at my hotels, Delta Airlines, you already know. Tesla, want to support that movement of electric vehicles and clean energy. Virgin Galactic, Space is a New Frontier, and I want to get in on that. Shake Shack with the nice burgers, you feel me? I used to fly on Southwest Airlines and just other stocks. The ones down here aren't performing too well, but I have US Bank. I like Honda, Denny's. I eat there. Lyft. Yeah. But these are just companies that I kind of have affiliation with in some degree, and we're still up over 25% from just those stocks. And the last one I have is just dividends, trying to get more exposed to dividend yielding stocks. And I've only had this for 182 days, and it is up 17.96%. The dividends is low because I haven't had it for too long, and there's not that much money in here. But these are just what I'm exposed to for dividends and whatnot. But I really just like Acorns because of the partial, not Acorns, M1 Finance because of the partial stocks, and just looking at these pies, I just enjoy it. And the fees are like not really there. I don't believe I paid anything in fees whatsoever that I can remember of. I don't have any fees that I remember of. But basically, I'm just holding everything long term, and want to get that dollar cost averaging. M1 Finance has been good to me. I don't have that much money in here, just about $1,600 it seems, but consistently putting in $60 a month, sometimes a little bit more, but we will always increase our contributions. I really like M1 Finance, and I did a little bit of calculations of how much this is up prior to starting this video, but things are changing. But all four accounts are averaging, they averaged up 37.8%, which is, looking at these doing quite well as far as a year, and close to, or, half of the 5 year. And, the oldest account here is 2 years and 5 months. But I like Acorn. I keep saying Acorns because that's what I was using prior to this so much. But M1 Finance, tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about partial shares. You might do that on Robinhood or Fidelity and other things right there. But just locking in some growth right here. So this is basically an update for like 2 years with the platform, and the 2 years is up quite well. If you're interested in signing up, I do have a link below. If you want to use it, you get $10. I get $10. This is just a very great way to start investing. And if you haven't invested already, I would start with this platform and just look at the options that they do have, because you can edit these. You can add different companies, and they have just individual stocks. They have funds. They have my pie, or whatever my pies there, expert pies that you can get for retirement. But yeah, look into M1 Finance. I'm enjoying M1 Finance after these 2 years. It's been pretty good to me. So if you want to get started, use that link in the description below. This was just a quick update. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like the sprinting video. Had fun doing it. My cashback strategy, went really in depth with that. Travel videos. But Nick's Dynasty, I'm trying to make videos. Just doing my thing out here. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, y'all.